Hi, writers. So today I need your help. I have a story that I wanted to write, but I want you to help me put the letters and the words on my page. So let me show it to you. So I was talking to my mom and it made me really think about her and I wanted to write more about my mom. So I drew a picture of my mom. She's very stylish as you can see. And I want to say that my mom is nice because that's how she is. She just is. So I want to be sure I write that. So I'm going to write the sentence, my mom is nice. Now remember when we were saying sentences, we like to count them. And if we put the lines, it can help us with our spaces. So let's see how many words are in my sentence. My mom is nice. How many words are in my sentence? My mom is nice. 4 words. So I'm going to put 4 lines across the top. My mom is nice. And then I'm making a statement, so I want to put a period there. I could make an exclamation point if somebody said she wasn't nice. I might yell back, my mom is nice. I might put an exclamation point then, but right now I'm just going to put a period. All right, so I'm writing the word, my mom is nice. So my first word is my. What sounds do you hear in my? I. I hear that M. You heard it too? I. I heard an I. It looks funny. We'll come back to it though. My mom. That's going to be my next word there, mom. And I even labeled my mom right there. So I even wrote it. I could figure that one out. My mom is, you hear the I, is nice, nice. I hear the N. My mom is nice. Does that look right to you? Sometimes as writers, we can look at it and say, something doesn't seem right. And you're right, something's wrong. We need to talk about our capitals. I have capitals and lowercase letters all in my sentence, but I don't have the right ones capitalized. And there's ones that should be capital are lowercase, and the lowercase, it's a mess. So let's talk about what's the rule with capitals. So let's look here. Hold on. So with capitals, certain letters are capital, big, right? And when I thought about the rules of what's capital and what's not, I have remembered my old story that I wrote with my speech bubbles with Josh. Now I know that I capitalize all words that are someone's name, like Josh. I capitalize the J in Josh. And so I should capitalize anybody that has their name in there, right? Like Josh, or if I was saying Kate, I'd put a capital K at the beginning. So anytime it's a person's name, we're going to capitalize. And then I was thinking about where we're at. When we were shopping for shoes, we were at the shoe depot. And I am naming a particular place. So I would capitalize shoe depot. So anytime it's a person's name, so for example, like Josh, you see I put a capital here and the rest are lowercase. Or Kate, I have a capital for K and the rest are lowercase. Or Ruby, I have a capital R and the rest are lowercase. Or Aubrey, I have a capital I and the rest are lowercase. And I also said places, like the shoe depot where we were the other day. If I'm writing about a place, I'm going to capitalize the beginning of that place's name, like shoe depot. That has 2 words in its name, and I'm going to capitalize the beginning of both of those. Or like Walmart. Or what if you go to McDonald's? That one's kind of a funny one because it has 2 capitalized, but they're kind of connected. Or what if you go to, let's say, one of my favorite places, what about Hobby Lobby? I'm going to have a capital H and I'm going to have a capital L. So you capitalize names, you capitalize places, and like we do every day when we write our morning message, we capitalize dates, right? So there's rules to what we capitalize. And another thing that we capitalize is the beginning of our sentence. That's always a must, right? So this is definitely wrong because I need a capital M because I'm at the beginning of my sentence. So I'm just going to go ahead and cross that out. I'm going to put a capital M because it's the beginning of a sentence. And actually, I hear the I, but I know it's not I. It's actually a Y because one of our sight words, right? My mom is What's wrong with is? Look at that. It has a capital at the end. No, there's no capital in this word. It's in the middle of a sentence, so it's all lowercase. My mom is more capitals. That's not right. So we're going to go ahead and cross those out too. Let's go ahead and fix that. I. Now there's going to be a letter that's making it say I. E. You're right. And we're going to put a C here because the E is making the C say S. That's the rule. And the E is making the I say I. Man, that E is hard at work, isn't it? So now let's read our sentence again. My mom is nice, period. I think that looks better. All right, so today what I want you to do when you are writing, I want you to make sure you're using capitals in the right places. I don't want capitals in the middle of your sentence unless it's a person's name. Like if I said, I like Josh, then I would put capital J for Josh, right? I put a capital at the beginning of the sentence and J for Josh. All right, guys, I can't wait to hear what you write about. It can be whatever you want today. And you know what? I loved those speech bubbles. So if you want to write more with speech bubbles, that would be fine with me. All right, see you later, guys.